The cost of the transaction you are interested in. He came to a message from without whose cryptocurrency today, one of the ways to transfer money abroad or pay for foreign services. This is especially true for those who left the country but continue to work in a Russian company remote to receive salaries on Russian cards, for example in Turkey and in Armenia. Cryptocurrency is taken over by some homeowners, shipping bars and cafes, but I want to remind you that cryptocurrency is still a risky income for investment, so before investing digital coins into real money, it is worth understanding this issue. But if you are interested in the operation using a violin, then you can use the monitoring of exchangers without a receipt using the link in the description of this video. Well, first, let's discuss what it is. Sustainable technology, thanks to which cryptocurrency appeared, is literally translated from English as a chain of blocks. And this is a fairly accurate description of this chain of information blocks that store the memory of families in the past. The blockchain can be endlessly connected to a new animal. Change or delete the next one. You want to explain what it was like. Even your grandmothers can watch how she knits socks. If the sock is someone's entire block, then every new stitch is a new block of the chain, and it's no longer possible to change old stitches, but only if you unravel the entire sock, the main indicator shows. This is its openness, and distributed openness means that any user can check every blockchain and all the information that stores there well. One block requires confirmation from several sources for you to transfer money inside the capacitor. For example, this friend's operation should ensure the availability of several complete strangers to you without any of them being the main confirmation in a way that blocks the money and is practically impossible such a situation when the data is transferred. It's so much easier to turn on a service or video due to a shutdown that in this system it's impossible to turn off there or turn off any specific computer so that they disappear.